a way for them to avoid the necessary scientific conclusion from the fact that human life begins in fertilization. They don't want to talk science, so they accuse you of being a religious bigot, even though you're actually not invoking God.
I do hate that when they just say it's a clump of cells. That's just
what I say is you are technically a clump of cells as well.
just a walking.
Because they are. You're a slightly more developed clump of cells, but that doesn't mean that none of the other arguments hold. The viability argument doesn't hold. There are plenty of human beings who are not viable outside of outside support from machines or a pacemaker. We don't suggest that they can now be terminated. There are lots of people who don't have proper brain function, and babies or fetuses or embryos which are going to develop proper brain function, to suggest that those babies are lesser because of improper brain function for a temporary period, not even for a permanent period. That is obviously casting aspersions at people who don't necessarily have full brain function. It's very difficult to make an intellectually consistent case for why abortion ought to be treated as morally ambiguous.